ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ki MLA jong kaseng Kongres ha ka artrik ubnai rempang arjar arpuway. Kila penlong ye ke jingyelang ngolem haying sa jong udong yelam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma pan penpau ye ke jing ngosi halor ke jingklat no ke bakendit jong u MLA ke parti uba David Nongrum uba longru nongmi kemat na ke maureng keneng constituency. Uba David Nongrum ula klat kendit mentaka step jong ka arterik ubnai rempang na ke jingpang kendek kelong senam ha Negrims Hospital hadin ba ke jingkem telot kensan. Shwa kani na ke liang jong ki MLA ke seng Kongres kilalet ngolem bat pentingan ya ke kurim bat ya ki khon ki kiti jong uba David Nongrum ha ke yingsa jong u ke badan ha Windermere Estate ha Umpling Shillong. Nalor kini rasa kiru ba kiwei pat ki MLA jong kiwei ki parti ki bakentup ru ya ulampang jong ki yeng dorbar thawan uba medba lingdo ulawan poi haying sa jong uba David Nongrum ban penpau ye ke jing ngolem halor kani ke jing jia ka basngosi. Kumban sukdew hangni ka seng Kongres ka basyong hakaliang persya jong ke yeng dorbar thawan jong ke jela kala hiar sya ke jing bon pa ka batang khat pharangut da ke jing khlat no jong uba David Nongrum.
Kesorong kam kaladu yung dong yalam udang kena udang day banlong ubriu ubala ban syarai ban penkiu ketika konstitusi ibendem hakmat kataka hukum ublay bat ni barbor kum ki kristan lah hikaya ni benginlong barbor kita kiba pam judo jengkernan bat ni nget oblay try kadrat uwan lam kataka jingshong that kebajanai om tang ya iya kam sim jogi ba David ibana i no lagi rekam tam lele ya ka constituency hi borok kowai no hakane kapor o betul ha ulaka ya ketika konstitusi rekum bangi jui hakipor ke balalet ba ublay ushim re ublay pen biang tidak kata kecing kerben kristan nginget ba ublay halor tam ba kraw tam utip ya ka bulale ba nipha ya kenika ka keruak jing ngolem om tang sya kayeng kasek jungi sya ipa jungi ipa Charles Pungro sya kurim jungi bat sya barok pinong song jong kasong khang konstitusi bat nginget ba iba David hi ini alam denti yangi nalen
everything ngolem ya kurim jong i ni David kenong kumju menjadi khun ki jongi aga ju ko ya iba Charles Pungro kumri kupai ya kajing khlap ka bakendit kajing i benam step kajing du no jong ni kumwei na ki Parlok MLA ku movement yang kalau ngejindu ke Crown ya ka parti Indian National Congress ke jung kumju ru ya ka jela but kamtam ya ka 13 Morongkeneng constituency hakaba ulayo jing it na gipaiba kibobun bat ulayo ru ya ka jing trelang na galyang gipaiba kibala Krishan yu arsin keti bat kadi kejing lat kendit kejungi kalau sisa kejing du ko bakau hanga simen ni hakini gilaisnem duna kejing ai inti kejungi ku kejung kman ulong ni ku nong pra dan ti yang nong penin ti aku gidan kejung kejing ku mohon men bat kadi kejing lat kendit kejungi kalau sisa kejing du ko bakau jadi pa ai kejing solem yang bayin bahasa baru kudu dapat boleh ikut dimen kipara di kipar problem ai kejingjat hai yang donu kamisin jong bangitin kumikun di jong blei yang bupai ni sela jong berarti akawe lu ngisni haban ni takitin di jong blei gong we simrit in nom hab klem kejingtit jong namar kata kumki bangen hagi balang beper ni dan bijingnya beper ni dan ni haban berkreasi.
We fondly remember his contributions, which cannot be quantified in as far as his contributions for the upliftment of the people and the state as a whole is concerned. I have known him for a very long time, even before he was elected as a member of our August House. He was actively involved in politics in our party. Subsequently, he contested as an independent candidate and he was elected by people. Obviously, because people knew him well, he was well connected with the masses, and second time he was re-elected as the member of the Congress party with substantial margin, if you recollect, which again reflects how popular he was amongst his beloved electorates. And I had known him as a passionate and as a very committed leader who would leave no stone unturned to ensure that he is able to fulfill the aspirations of his people. You can yourself see the quantum of development that has taken place in the first innings that he had as an elected representative of his constituency. I myself have witnessed him launching some of the programs which were offshoot of his endeavor in convincing the government to really understand the needs of the people, and I'm sure we could have done much more had he been still alive.